And if you are curious, what you're watching right now is basically my iPhone suspended by two Co-Craft clamps into my mic boom arm. So yeah, we're gonna test this out just for the fun of it. Not entirely sure how it's gonna work, and I have misplaced my pen. That's a pen, but that is a black one, not a lead one. Basically, that means we can't actually raise anything. But for this test alone, that doesn't actually matter, so let's do this anyway. Right, so we're gonna start off with just some easy, crazy glue drawing. This is gonna be really loosey-goosey because we can't erase. So that's gonna be interesting. We have this very weird looking goblin thing. Yeah, this is actually not... Oh yeah, that's a pouty one. Looks slightly scary actually. No, I'm not gonna lie, it looks aggressive, to say the least. I was looking kind of buff, to be honest, but I mean, we can't erase, so whatever we put down is what we put down. That is just the way it is. Oh dear Lord in heaven, I don't know what's wrong with you, but yeah, I mean, okay, so this is just for funsies, to be quite honest. We are not honestly doing this as something serious. This was just a... And that is actually his feet cut off too. I can't get the feet shown, never mind. This thing does have its limitations, of course. So, that was a very quick test. Let's try that.